There. Okay. So, I know I said I wouldn't voice reveal until I got 50 subscribers, but I don't care about what I said anymore because this will probably get me more subscribers than just 50. Anyway, that's not the point. Out of my videos, you're going to be seeing more Fortnite, Grow a Garden, Steal a Brain Rot, more Roblox and Fortnite stuff. Anyway, today we're gonna play, you all know, Steal a Brain Rot. Maybe not all of you, but bop, bop. $3,950,150. One second. Hello. Oh no. Don't even have enough room for it. Jeez. Uh-oh. I don't know. I think I'm gonna steal. Yeah, I should steal the. Ow. Who did that? I'm gonna hit whoever did. Oh, look at that. 130,000 every single second. That's OP. No. Frick you. What is my brother watching down there? No. I have had one brain rot god. Wait, what? Oh, I can rebirth, can't I? Should I do it? I have all these OP. No, it's just one more slot up there, so I'm not gonna do it. It's just one slot, I'm not gonna. Yes, I will. This sucks, bro. I hate this. I hate this, bro. I hate this. What do I need next? A Frigo, Camelo, Argentini, Assassini. I've never had an orange, but I'm gonna see if I can steal from someone who does. Please don't hit me. Ow. Just looking. Oh no. Ooh, chimpanzee, banana. Ayo. Is that what I want? What the? No. 100 seconds. It's locked. Darn it. I don't know what to do. Big I don't honestly care. What do you Oh no. Be quiet, Tyler. Jeez. Bro, what did I do? What did I do for you to slap me across the face? Huh? You wanna go? You wanna go? Yeah, come here. I'll whack you again. Don't steal from me. Go back into your base. Go. Chat, am I a bully or am I a bully? I don't even think that was the person who tried to steal from me. This is the person who tried to steal from me. He tried to steal from me in like 2 seconds. No, not 2 seconds. Probably like the last video I tried to make. No, this is for no reason. Hey, I don't have anything, bro. What do you want from me? Oh, yeah. Ew, what was that for? Did you do that, huh? Yeah. No. Nope, that's mine. Stop, bro. I guess I kind of deserved that. I kept on doing that to her because I thought it was the other person. Why, bro? She better not freaking. Oh no. I'm stuck in a freaking bear traps, bro. I'm gonna help out people that want to steal some of her stuff. I'm gonna deactivate all the bear traps. Nope. Nice try. I'm gonna come back at you fast, and you have no idea how fast I'm talking. Come get me now. Huh? Come and get me. Whee! What is this? Okay. Why am I glitching so bad, bro? Ooh. You know what else I think we might play? I think we might play the Ink games. Yeah, that's a pretty famous game. I might not be the best at it, but I'll still play it. Frick you. No. Yeah. Nice try. Ain't no way, bro. I gotta delete one of my words. I'm gonna wait for it to just super close. Bop. She's a bot. Oh, I don't have room in my base. $600 a second. Okay. I'll trade out that for it. Stuck in here with me now, boy. He left the game. He got so mad he left the game, bro. No, 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 no. Oh, frick you. Hey, I was gonna use that. I hate people nowadays in these games, bro. They're so freaking picky. And they have to have some certain stuff. Like, you can't just peacefully have a brain rot. You have to steal it from them to get it. I'm taking the bomb, Benny Guzani. No. Bro. No way. Freaking get out. No. Get out, bro. Get out. No, that's actually mine. No. No, 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 no. Frick you. I'm gonna keep doing this. Yeah. I'm gonna steal one of your brain rots. I'll make sure of it, too. I'm a freaking... You're dead. You're dead meat. I removed one of my brain rots for that, too. So the fact that you stole it... I hate these people, bro. These people just be stealing everything. And I didn't even do anything to her. So, I don't know what her problem is. But... she has some problem with me. Oh yeah, that's going in. If she steals it, I swear I'm gonna murder her. Yeah, that's what I thought. And now we can destroy her. Coil combo. Ooh. No invisibility cook. Emerald slab. Take them. Put them on the. Oh, you can fly with this. You can fly by with this. Forgot I didn't have enough room. I'll kick this one. Yep. You can't frickin'. I bet you she's single. I bet you she is. She probably is though. She's poor. She's a brat. She's everything that a guy doesn't want. Only a couple more seconds and then I'm gonna steal her last one. Oh, did you have to do that, bro? Yeah, we're on a war now. I'm trying to slap him. Why'd you slap me? Okay, now. I'm getting tired of this. Yeah, that's what she gets for stealing from me. She's mad. I'm super fast with this cloak on. Should have got just the cloak. Wait, what if I do this? Oh no, that doesn't work. Oh, broken ankles. Oh, I'm gonna take the Guzini. Oh, she got me that time. Yeah, you think anybody's gonna steal from this piece of trash place? Oh no. Oh, darn it. I had that too. I'm stealing from this guy. No, it's all the way across the map. This one's right next to my base, and they have good stuff too. I look like my father, but I'm the better version. Oh no. No, he did not hit me. I look like my father, but I'm the better version. Oh, I hate her. She don't know where I am now. Yeah, I have way better slippers. Now you don't know where I am. Even though I'm right next to you. Oh, you just can't figure out where I am, can you? Oh! Yeah. I'm gonna steal her octopus. And she's not gonna like that. No, yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna type in ha 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 ha. Ooh. Look at this noob. Oh, why did she hit me, bro? Ayo. She had no idea she hit me. Oh yeah. Oh, she left. She raged so bad that she left. Okay, bro. No, don't hit me. I'll hit you. I look like my father, but nothing. I just look like my father. Look at this. Uh-oh. Oh yeah. Nice try, bud, but I saw you. Bop. What's happening? I don't know what's happening at all. She's bored. Kinda. Look at this. Hi. She probably has no idea why it's still here. Watch this. Oh no. How did that happen? I don't honestly care which one I give away, but I'm gonna give away this one. No, 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 please don't steal it, please. No! I don't need 1 million more. What you talking about? What the frick? Do you know how much I paid for that too? I just gave away like half 15 million at the lowest. Oh. I paid for you.